Very much, sir, for this opportunity, and thank you for everyone here for this awesome opportunity. We'd also like to congratulate you on this wonderful milestone achievement
here.
of
Yeah.
water, sir.
You can sit here, and then you can come here and sit. You can talk.
Can't turn my back on you.
No problem. Carry on.
So we have, sir, been allotted 73 acres of land in Pograpalle, and the land is yet to be physically given to us, but there are certain challenges with the land because there is, in terms of the topography of the land, we have almost a 20-30 meter delta. There are electrical poles in that land, and there is also a temple in the land, sir. So.
That's okay, but how to get it done? What is our commitment? How to do it?
The pole shifting, we will carry it our end, sir. Whether it is a temple or DKT, sir, we will transfer it, sir. The requirement is 74 acres, sir. Yes.
Leveling 14 acres, 4 crores, we can help with 14 crores, maybe the 10 crores they should put from there.
No, our people are saying 73 acres of land is given to you. One is, okay, cost effective, all these things, it's all right. But logistics, everything we are providing. Now leveling, 4 crores we will spend, 10 crores you have to spend.
So we were told that will be 1/3 for our share, sir, and 1/3 CADA and 1/3 APIIC, sir. That's what we were promised, sir.
That time, sir, the cost was less, sir. Now it is increasing.
No, you do one thing, 50-50, you do it, we'll work it out.
Sir.
50-50 will get it done. You do that work, 50% will reimburse. Okay?
We have got the highest land, sir, with very less cost.
No, it's all right. You go ahead.
Sir.
With full satisfaction, you have to move forward.
Okay. Electrical poles is already said.
Which one?
Poles
We'll shift all those things. Only leveling 50-50.
You have already paid the money to APIC.
Yes, sir.
We have received the communication. Now, in the coming week, we are going to pay to the farmers. Simultaneously, we will work for shifting the line also.
shifting we will take.
No, all these things it is our
So we are also
responsibility.
very ready, sir, to start mobilizing the site and start
You
work
do
immediately.
everything. We'll start from now
I mean,
onwards.
for us, the cutoff date should start when we actually have the land, sir.
When is your March to 27?
We don't want to shift it further, sir, but
Yeah, you
the start
complete.
date should be the date we get the land.
No, land is available now. Work has to be started. Shifting our lines, all these things from tomorrow they will start. Leveling 50% will give it. Water will take to your site. You start the work.
I will do that, sir.
Yeah, I will monitor every day.
Yes, sir.
Okay?
Poles we will shift, only 50% leveling will please, sir.
No, what I am asking you, water also you plan it now itself. Don't delay further. Poles, everything will ask RESCO to start work now. Everything from our side we will complete. Their side leveling they will start construction.
And there's the little road also, sir, which has to be.
That will do it. Okay? Thank you. Thank you. Thank you, brother.
I'll do.
Thank you. Shrija